Hello guys, today we will see what all there inside a purifier room of a ship. It is the hottest place inside the ship, so let's go. As soon we enter inside the purifier room, make sure you look everywhere around that there are no leakages and there are no oil around. As we proceed towards each and everywhere, we can see this is the edge of a purifier number 1. This is edge of a purifier number 2. This is having alpha level purifier panel EPC provided with the cabinet and panel. This is the heater for the HFO purifier. The fuel gets heated over here. You can see here the fuel feed pump for the purifier, and over here you can see Nakakita temperature controller. From this controller the fuel purification temperature is monitored. These are the feed pump for the purifier. Here you can see the bulkheads with settling and service tanks provided with the ladders to go up and check for the levers. This is the manhole. You can see here the pipelines, the valves. These are the valves for the supply, the main engine and auxiliary engines. This is for the main engine supply, the suction valve for the main engine from the service tank. These are the quick closing valves. Upper and bottom quick closing valves are provided. From far we can see this is the properly sheathed lagging on the tanks. Here you can see the main engine fuel oil supply and circulating pump. This is the main engine flow meter. From here you can get to know how much quantity of the fuel oil is being consumed by the main engine. These are the circulating pump and supply pump. This pump is running. Yeah, here this is the supply pump. This is circulating pump. Sorry. Over here, adjacent to this, you can see the bank of generator supply and circulating pump. This is also provided with the flow meter. You can see the supply and circulating pump being run. As we move ahead, you can see here the temperature controller, the visco thumb. This is the back flush auto backwash filter. This is the auto backwash filter differential pressure gauge. You can carefully see the visco thumb. It is running, and from here you can adjust the viscosity and the temperature from the Nakakita controllers. Moving ahead, we see these are the heaters for the main engine supply, which can be adjusted as per the requirement. Next to this you can find the heaters for the generator. The generator supply is being heated over from these heaters. This is again the Nakakita controller. These are the backwash filters, manual and automatic. So overall in the purifier room you can see here the tanks, and over up you can see the blower supply for the purifier room. These are the ducts which can be easily shut and opened with the help of the lever. These levers should be always free and should not be stuck, because during inspection this is a major deficiency, enabled deficiency. This is the DO supply, diesel tank, diesel oil settling and servicing. These are the fluid gauges for the alarms. Accordingly, you can see here the valves for the individual supply. These are the exhaust for the purifier room. So this is how the overall purifier room looks like, and all the components, all the machineries, everything is provided here. So I hope this is well understood. Thank you so much.